Oh yeah, compartment. There's bodies.
Smuggling operations across Texas have grown increasingly deceptive, with some traffickers now concealing people beneath livestock feed, lumber, or false compartments.
Okay, where to?
In this case, it was a trailer full of hay, but something didn't sit right with the trooper who made the stop.
I honestly have no idea. I'm from California.
The trooper was quick to remind him, this ain't California. When a Texas DPS Trooper pulled over this Ford F-150 hauling hay bales in Val Verde County, the driver immediately denied consent to search the trailer, but the trooper had suspicions.
You got your driver's license? What's your truck?
No, it's my boss.
Okay. Where to? Taking the hay to San Antonio?
Farm.
Okay. Where are you coming in from?
I honestly have no idea. I'm from California.
And this ain't California. Smuggling ain't allowed over here. You are involved with that. Texas is a 10-year minimum sentence for human smuggling. If nobody gets hurt or there's nothing else, it's a minimum of 10 years. Yeah, I know. It's horrible, huh?
The driver, appearing nervous, gave conflicting answers. A K-9 unit from U.S. Border Patrol was called in.
The people in there, they're gonna put their handcuffs for right now. Oh yeah, compartment. There's bodies. There's bodies. Hey, ven para acá. Hey, you're under arrest.
2 undocumented migrants from Mexico were found hidden beneath the hay bales.
¿Cuántas personas? ¿Dos?
The driver was arrested and charged with 2 counts of human smuggling,
B-1095, the trailer kind of compartment's going to be loaded with bodies.
each with the potential for serious bodily harm. Though he claimed to be from California, DPS later reported the driver is actually from Texas, proving that no matter where you're from, smuggling charges carry serious consequences across the Lone Star State.